Hello everyone, welcome to Move Well, Live Well. We get a number of people that come in here with issues regarding their mid-back and their shoulder blade. And they're coming in here with these issues. And I have Dr. K here. She's going to be our subject here today to kind of demonstrate what's going on with these folks and to show you what you can do at home to help alleviate this problem. So they're coming in and they're complaining of, this is Dr. K's shoulder blade here. This is the shoulder blade. And there's a muscle right here. It's called the rhomboid, and it spans from this border of the shoulder blade here to the spinous processes of the mid-back. And they're getting tightness and achiness and spasm and pain and discomfort in here, and it's just not going away. They're going to see the chiropractor, they're getting adjustments on the mid-back, they're seeing their physiotherapist, their PT, and they're doing exercises, and they're doing muscle stem in here, and they're getting the lacrosse ball, they're rolling that out, they're getting on the foam roller, they're trying to foam roll this out, and it's not getting better, it's not getting better, and they always have this pain and discomfort in here. So, well, what's going on here is if we turn Dr. K around, so this was the right shoulder. Right here on Dr. K, oh, just pretty much on everybody, you have what they call the liver, right? It's on the right side. It kind of spans, it's like this, a big organ, and it spans like it's all this right here. And it's just underneath the rib cage on the right side. And underneath the rib cage here is also, underneath the liver is the gallbladder. Now the gallbladder, you can look this up, it refers, if there's problems with the gallbladder, it refers pain and discomfort to here. So this is what you do. If you're having pain and discomfort in here and you've been seeing the chiropractor, you've been seeing the physical therapist, you're rolling it out, you're doing all those things, ice, heat, exercise, and it's not getting better, more than likely, you're having problems with the gallbladder. So you can palpate on yourself here the right rib cage. So this is your right shoulder, problems right up in there between the shoulder blade, and then this is where your gallbladder sits, underneath the liver like this. I'm gonna have Dr. K go on the table here. It's ideally if you have somebody to do this for you, that's the ideal, but you can do it on yourself too. But I'm going to move this a little bit closer this way so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Just like this. So this is right here is Dr. K's right rib cage, lower rib cage. You can feel this ridge of bone here. This is the last these ribs right in through here in the front, the anterior ribs. And just underneath, right in through here is kind of the liver and where the gallbladder resides. Have the patient, have the person bend their knees like this. It helps relax the abdominals so you can get in this area a little bit. And have them breathe relaxingly, have them breathe normally. And what you're doing, you're just taking your, kind of that dull edge. You don't want to dig in here with your fingers. You know, you see what I mean? You don't want to dig in here with your, you're digging in here kind of like this with a broad, see that? A broad. So I'm going to go a little closer here. I'm just using, instead of using my fingers like this, I'm going to go like this. Just kind of a broad-shaped edge with my fingers. See that? And that's kind of tender, isn't it? So you can see on Dr. K here, this is a little tender. Could be the abdominals are tight too, but right in through here is you're just going to massage that just a little bit. Just get in there and have her breathe. Just relaxingly, just like this. You can kind of see that, okay? So you're just getting in here into the gallbladder, okay? See that? Just kind of massaging a little bit. Do that for about half a minute or so, half a minute to a minute. You're not putting a whole lot of pressure on that. What you're doing is just gently massaging that, just a little bit and through there. And within the next, sometimes it's almost instant. That pain and discomfort in the mid, right in there, that shoulder blade, between that shoulder blade and the spine, that pain just like goes away. And essentially what you're doing in here is you're kind of just stimulating the gallbladder. Sometimes the bile duct, the ducts within the gallbladder get kind of congested, get clogged up, and it refers pain to that spot at the back. And then just by doing that, it helps reset the gallbladder, opens up those ducts a little bit, And man, it is a weird, it's a weird phenomenon that a problem with your gallbladder it refers pain to the right part of your shoulder. Now, obviously, if you've been dealing with this pain, like for instance, if you eat something and you're feeling pain here in this area, or you're having severe pain in the back, that type of thing, obviously go get it checked out, because if you have gallstones in here and you're having trouble passing them, you're going to have a lot more problems than just a little bit of referred pain in the back. So, I mean, this can even mask itself as like people who have this issue, gallbladder issues, and you can feel like you're having a heart attack or something. And so definitely go get it checked out. But this is a quick, easy way. If, for instance, you're not getting any better, you've been seeing the chiro, you're getting adjusted, you've been seeing the physio, you're getting it taken care of, and it's still a problem, check the gallbladder. Do a little massage in here, and sometimes almost instantly you'll get relief from that pain and discomfort in the back of the shoulder blade there. It's weird, but do it. It's going to feel great. It's going to help alleviate that discomfort. Anyway, if you have any questions with this, another question. Sometimes people will have pain that's not going away in the left shoulder. Here, go and stand up for me again, Dr. K. So in the left shoulder, so we just demonstrated, problems with the right shoulder. I'm going to go over here. This is Dr. K's left shoulder blade, and sometimes they have pain here on this side, and it's just not going away. They've done everything. They've seen the chiro, all that stuff that they've done. They've gone to the PT, all that stuff, and it's just not going away, not going away. Well, let's turn you back around here. Now, so this is Dr. K's right side. This is Dr. K's left side over here. So you have the pancreas, okay? Now the pancreas, this is the gallbladder, and the liver is over on this side underneath this rib here, and it spans across like this. Now the pancreas kind of is a little bit lower, but it spans over toward the right more. So you go down just a little bit, down a little bit, and now you're going to the left side. So left side. So gallbladder's here on the right, pancreas is in this kind of in the center toward the left. And so you go down just a little bit more. You're in the softer area of the belly, not quite up to the rib cage, just down just a little bit. And it's the pancreas that's referring pain into here. So what you do, here, hop back on here. And now, go this way. Now she has her left side towards me here. And again, I'm doing the same thing, except I'm using my opposite hand here. Go a little closer, just like this. And what you're doing, this is her ribs, okay? This is her left lower part of her ribs right here, rib cage. And I'm going to go just a little bit below that into the center, just above the belly button a little bit. And I'm just going in here, and again, I'm not digging in with my fingers. I'm just kind of using a broad, going this way here. I'm using a broad, just kind of stimulating, and that's tender in there, isn't it? So, right in there, stimulating that pancreas. Again, 30 seconds to a minute, stimulate that pancreas. Just right in through here. And then again, almost instantly, that pain in the left shoulder blade back there starts to dissipate. Why? Because the pancreas is what's causing this issue. Now, obviously, if that doesn't work, you obviously want to go and make sure that it's the pancreas that's having a problem. Get a blood test, make sure your pancreas is working well, that type of thing, because pancreatic cancer is a reality, as well as gallbladder disease. So you want to make sure those things. But tell you what, almost instantly, that pain from the shoulder goes away if it's referred pain from the pancreas. Now, if that pain keeps coming back, then you know there's another underlying problem for the pancreas or the gallbladder. So, those are two ways, unusual ways, to relieve pressure or relieve pain in the mid-back. I'm going to stand up again. So yeah, if you guys are experiencing pain in the mid-back, right, either in the right shoulder or in the left shoulder. If it's the right shoulder, look to the gallbladder. You can do it yourself. You just find that rib cage here. You can lie down if you want and just hang out in here and massage underneath that rib cage a little bit. You can kind of dig in if you want. If you're not very sensitive, you can dig in through here and stimulate that gallbladder, and almost instantly that pain in the right shoulder goes away. If it's the left shoulder, go down a little bit further and then over kind of in the middle toward the left. You massaging through here, and man, the pain in your mid-back goes away. So, if you have any questions with this video, drop it off in the comment section below. We thank you for watching. We appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, hit subscribe, and when you hit subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification button, because that'll keep you in the loop as to future videos coming here in the near future. That way you can continue to move well and live well. Also, share this with others. I'm sure you know people who have mid-back pain and it's not going away. That shoulder blade is always hurting. It doesn't, I'm doing everything and it's not going away. Show them this video. It'll help them alleviate that discomfort in their mid-back. Also, give it a thumbs up. It lets us know you care. Anyway, we thank you for watching. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.